Hello and welcome back to Cruise Passenger's Digital Cruise Guide. I'm Rosie Jacobs from Cruise Passenger Magazine. Now, experienced travellers know a thing or two about how to book a bargain, how to score that upgrade, and so many more tips. So we're very happy to share with you all our knowledge on getting that bargain, getting that upgrade, and a few extra tips that are going to make your cruise the very best it can be. When to book is important. First in, best dressed. Booking during the low season, when ships are super keen to fill their numbers, can offer some fantastic deals. There are cruises that still take you to warmer destinations that leave in the cooler months, and you'll have more room to yourself with less crowds. Look out for prices that include cabin upgrades, cheap or even free flights, credit to spend on board, half price for your travel buddy, and more. Packages are a great way to save. A drinks package, for example, could save you a bundle and the hassle of keeping track of your budget throughout the cruise. Careful you get the right one though. See some of our comparisons in our tips and tricks article. Think about how much time you're really going to spend in your room. If it's not a lot, then maybe save a few dollars and pick a more affordable interior cabin. Don't forget to factor in tips and gratuities and taxes that may come attached to your bill. And get travel insurance that specifically covers cruising, and use a credit card, as that's an extra level of security should you need it. And this last tip is my personal favourite. On embarkation day, don't forget to keep a few essential items in your carry-on bag. Could be a couple of hours before you can access your suitcase. So believe me, you're going to want to have your hat, sunblock, sunnies and bathers so you can be the very first in that pool.